Federal High Court in Abuja on Friday nullified the nomination of Governor Gboyega Oyetola and his deputy, Benedict Alabi, as candidates of the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC) in the just concluded gubernatorial elections in Osun. Of what use is it? He didn't win. He's going to go back, or he's going to finish his tenure, or he has already finished his tenure. Since he has spent, okay, the other man Adeleke has already won again with all these their kati and hearing that INEC, they were over voting or what have you. They were saying some other things. Everybody was thinking that Adeleke might still lose again the way he lost the first time. But at the end of the day, Adeleke won. Now, whether they are nullifying him or whatever, it shows that in the first place, maybe he was not supposed to contest, but we are not going to get into that. So it makes no difference whether he's been nullified or not. He's going home. Well, presiding Justice Emeka Nwite heard that the nomination of Oyetola and his deputy was unlawful. The suit marked FAC Abuja /CS/468/2022 was filed by the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and has ex-chairman of APC and Yobe Governor Buni as one of the defendants. Justice Nwite held that Oyetola and Alabi's nomination was unconstitutional because Buni, who submitted their names to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), violated the provisions of Section 183 of the Constitution and Section 82 of 3 of the Electoral Act 2022. The problem I have with all these people is that did they not know? Why will it take this route before they will get to know? Even Buni, as the caretaker committee or chairman of APC at that time, he was not supposed to be, because we learned that from their own constitution, you are a governor. You are not supposed to hold an elective position again in the party, but they just dabaru everything. The court also held that Governor Mai Mawala Buni acted in contravention of the provision of Section 183 of the Constitution when he held dual executive position. That is it. As the governor of Yobe State, they knew all of this. But you ask yourself, why will they continue with that impunity? It is a known fact, but they still went ahead. And it was the chairman, or is the governor of Yobe State and the chairman of the National Caretaker Committee of APC. Oyetola's counsel, however, argued that the court should dismiss the case because the plaintiff did not have local standing to commence the legal action against the defendant if he does not have what it takes to commence the case against the defendant. But what the so-called Oyetola did and the Buni, was it right? It wasn't right. The court held that the steps or decisions taken by Governor Mai Buni, including forwarding the names of Governor Isiaka Oyetola and Benedict Alabi to INEC, amounted to a nullity in law. So the question is that if he had won, would they have brought out that, would they have been able to disqualify him if he had won Adeleke? All these people, I don't really understand them. If he had won, would they have gone back, or would they have gone back to say, we are going to remove him because the processes at which he came even to be nominated in the first place was faulty? Would they have upturned it? No, they wouldn't have done that. Never, rejected, null and void. Osun State belongs to the APC. Supreme Court straight. From there to the World Court. Jagaban, please say something. You are the Nigeria Oracle. I just say, Odeni, away you. Oracle call, Eborani. Okay, APC government, these people came to kill everybody, but God passed them. Lobaton Olule, you spoke my mind. Okay, Olule lekeji. Oshekini, Olule. Oshekeji, Olule. Osheketa, Olule. Ẹlẹ́kẹrin ló wá ní pé ó nídìí láti sunkún, ó nídìí láti sunkún, wàá tún ràn. Buhari, wàá tún ràn. That was what Tinubu was talking about when Adamu, the chairman of the party, said, oh, they had a consensus candidate, presidential consensus candidate. Jagaban was seeing the handwriting on the wall. He say, we go scatter this whole thing. As he talking like this, all those other one from the Buhari caucus, all of the confused. Yeah, maybe they give him. But no worry, we know where we still get this man. So that was where Tinubu was crying up and down. Oshekini, Olule, Oshekeji, Olule, Eleyi of Ogun State. When he was referring to that, even this one, he brought this one to limelight. All of them, he brought them, he helped them. It is his time, it is my turn. All of those whatever. So that's why some people are not saying now. The first time Oyetola Adeleke won him. Now they've gone to court now. Yeah, they have Lule again. Oh Lule. Well, they will go to Supreme Court and let's see what happens. Oyetola has labored in vain. Ole Tola. Okay. From the one, Oyetola is a fake governor which was imposed on Osun people by the lawless party APC. This ruling is dangerous because it has multiplier effects on all candidates submitted by Buni. Watch out for greater fireworks, and which is true. Which is true. If court can decide that all the people that contested why Buni was still the caretaker, that means all of them will be nullified. I'm really getting what this person is saying, which is true. But you know there are different laws in different places in this Nigeria. Ló bá tán, ó ti lulẹ̀ bí àṣà bàbá wọn Tinubu. All problem cancel. APC all problem continue. Ó lulẹ̀ pátápátá porogodo. Who go come stand for him as a governor to witness the tribunal case against Adeleke on the 4th of October? Oh my God. My learned colleague, are you not hearing? Olule. Oh my God, this is really one. Abio, Olule, it get us to be. So impunity within this country, it's on another level. You can't just even fathom it. Oyetola enjoyed 4 years of stolen mandates that he never merited. Today, as a bitter loser, he is still pursuing shadows instead of giving thanks to God. Oyetola, like his uncle Tinubu, is a scam who was deployed from Lagos to loot Osun wealth. But thank God, Osun indigenous peoples have risen and taken back their land. Oyetola and Tinubu surely labored in vain in Osun State. Those are their words. Olule. APC party, the higher you go up, the lower you will go down because you didn't rule Nigeria very well at all. Number one, no education, no agriculture, no shelter, inflation, terrorists, kidnappers, high up price of commodities, injustice, bad roads everywhere, money laundering. APC, you have failed in many ways. Labour Party will use your brooms to sweep you APC away from Nigeria. Continue with your deceits. Okay. It means that all the decisions taken by Governor Memala Buni as acting APC chairman are summarily nullified. They don't know. I'm sure all of them will not be running paka now. When greedy politicians feel that they can do anything and get away with it, this is always the repercussions. In any case, he has lost the contest to the opposition, the dancing and rejoicing senator. The judgment does not even affect him directly, but other decisions taken by the same man, most especially where APC had won elections with the primary conducted by the Buni. At least Oyetola has enjoyed 4 useless and fruitless years that his uncle purchased for him. The office was bought and tenure has finished. Go back to Lagos. This is the beginning. Let us see what happened next. Remember, the executive of Buni, an acting chairman, has been taken to Supreme Court and Buni was declared lawfully and right to act. There is no way again. It affects other governors during Buni chairman if Oyetola. Okay, when rule of law leads, this is exactly what you get.